All right, today is letter name and letter sound practice for everyone with Miss Hoogland. Hope everybody's doing well. I've missed you all. Hope everybody's been reading at home and practicing their letter sounds. We need to know what they are. All right, here we go. When we get done with this, I would hope that maybe we could get a picture of you watching the video, or a picture of you maybe writing your letter names and sounds, seeing if you can figure out what they are. Yeah. All right, here we go, friends. We're going to go to the very first page. The very first letter we have is a vowel. It's a vowel. What's that vowel? It's A, and it says A and A. A and A. For those of you that are older, we have A, and aw. Aw is the A-U, A-L, and A-W. Okay. The next letter is a vowel. It is the letter E. And E says eh and E. Eh and E. Good job. Then we got the letter I, which is a vowel. And the vowel I says I or I. I or I. I or I. Then we have the letter O. O says ah, O, ah, O. Then we have the letter U. U says or you or oo. You or oo. Here we go. What letter? B. What does B say? B, 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 B. We go A, B. Okay, B says B. Then the letter C. C says K, 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 K. And if it has a C-I, C-E, or C-Y, it says S, K. Or C-I, C-E, C-Y says S. Then we have D. D. D says D, D, D. F goes F. There's no voice in that one. You shouldn't be able to feel it. F. The letter G says G, 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 G. If you have a G-I, G-E, or G-Y, it says J. First it says G, okay? But if you see a G-I, G-E, or G-Y, it's going to say J. This is the letter H, and H says H. This is the letter J, and it says J, 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 J. English words don't end in J, just so you know. Then we have the letter K, and K goes K, 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 K. Then we have an L, goes O, O. And these are all lowercase letters, friends. Then we have the letter M, says Then we have the letter N. N says like an airplane. Then we have the letter P. P says what? P, 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 P. You're puffing out those candles, friends. Then these are two letters together. I'm not going to just show you just the Q, because anytime you see this letter, it's always going to have a U beside it. Q-U. Q-U together always says qua, 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 like in queen and quick and quiet, qua, and quin. Then we have the letter R. Put your teeth together and go. Good job. Then we have the letter S, and it goes S. And S at the end of short words followed by after S in a word after a short vowel can sometimes say Z, like in the word has, H-A-S, has. So S can most of the time says S, and then sometimes it says Z. Another word would be an example would be is. Is spelled I-S, but the S makes the Z sound. Then this is the letter T. T says what? T, 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 t. Good job, friends. Then we have the letter V. V says what? V. Put your top teeth on top of your lip and go V. Then we have the letter W. It goes woo, 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 woo. Good job, friends. Then we have the letter X. Either get your X-ray machine out or get your bracelets out and go kss, kss. There's two sounds in the letter X. Kss. Go kss. Now put them together. Kss. Good job, the letter X. Then we have the letter Y. Y says y, 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 y. For my older friends, Y says y, I, I, E, and it all depends on what position it is in the word. Y, I, E. Y, I, E. The next one is Z. Z. What letter is that? Letter Z. You guys are so good. Letter Z says what? Z. Bumblebees. Now we're going to get into a couple two-letter sounds, and these are called digraphs. And digraphs are when we put two letters together and it makes a brand new sound. This is a TH together, but it's underlined just like the QU was. We don't go t, we go th, or th, like this and thin. This and thin. Two-letter TH. One's with a voice. You can feel it on your throat. And one with no voice. TH says th. We always want to put these two letters together into one sound. TH. It's a digraph. Then we have WH. WH. We're not going to go woo, woo. No, that's not right. You got them underlined, so that means it makes one sound. That new sound is either going to be wah, 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 or it's going to be ha, ha, ha. An example when it says ha, 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 is in the word who, whom, and whose. WH is going to say woo in words like what, where, and why. Then we have two letters, CH. CH, underline, makes one sound. This one is going to go ch, 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 ch. Okay? Ch, ch. Like when you chew, or a chunk, or a chugga chugga choo choo. Then the last digraph we have for right now is sh. Two-letter SH. Notice it's underlined, because it makes one sound. It takes both of these letters to make the one sound shh. Got it? All right, here we go. We're going to get a little bit harder. I know you can do it. Let's see if you can do these again real quick. We got a, e, I, o. We always say the short vowel sound first, then the long vowel sound. U, b, k, or s, d, f, g, or j, j, k, o, p. Two-letter QU says qua, qua, s, or z, t, words don't end in V and they don't end in J either. Woo. Ks. Y. I. I. E. Y. I. E. Z. 2-letter TH. There's 2 of these. The first one is the no voice, thin, and the next one is voice, that, and th. 2-letter WH says wh, or it says h in who, whom, and whose. 2-letter CH says ch, 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 like in chew, chomp, and Cheerio. 2-letter SH says shh, shh, don't wake the baby, shh. All right, ready for the second set? Here we go. This is 3-letter DGE. 3-letter DGE. The line before it shows us that it's going to have